right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us a 4-pack of their cool white night lights. So inside of this box is a simple 4-pack of plug-in night lights. Let me open it up and show you. So we have, yeah, look at that. Got a nice little instruction guide, but not much you should need to know. Basically, you get 4 of these. This is a motion sensor, so when you walk in front of it, it cuts on. This, of course, adjusts the brightness, and you have either off, night, or auto. Auto is, of course, where it'll automatically cut on when you walk in front of it. Night is just mean once it's nighttime, it'll cut on. So let's throw this into one of our sockets in the bathroom and just show you how bright they actually are. And if you didn't notice, there is a little button, there's a little sensor right there for the auto. So we're gonna flip these back to off. These are the cool whites. We will just plug it in, and then flip it over to night. And then when I cut this light, there we go. So that is, let me get a widescreen. That's about how much it's putting off currently. If I hit the other button over here, it makes it a little bit brighter, but as you can see, pretty good. So there you go, there's the cool white plug-in night light. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.